Today we're going to be making blackberry puff pastries.
So what do we have to do first?
We have to first light the oven on high.
Alright, so where did you get your blackberries?
So we got these from Derby. There's a bunch of picking things here and we went picking basically all day.
And how did you pick them?
We picked them with a cup and our fingers.
And where were they?
Along the river, along the creek or the riverbed.
But it really hurt when you stood on one.
Right, so how do we do this?
So first you're going to get your sharp knife and cut it into.
And what are you cutting?
Pastry.
Make sure they're defrosted first.
You got to cut it into 4 equal squares, or as equal as you can get them.
Okay. Is this where your mass comes in use, does it?
Yes. My quarters aren't the best. Kenzie.
Done. Oh, my bottom ones are too small.
That's okay.
Mine's like wonky. Next, we grab some of our blackberries and put them into a bowl.
Half of them.
Half of them at least. Some of them. Some.
Ooh.
Oops. And make sure you strain them if you get them fresh.
Strain them?
Well, rinse them, you know.
Rinse them, yes. Yours have been rinsed, haven't you? And make sure you don't have any prickly bits left on the top.
We don't. Mum took out all the ones.
Alright, here's the plan. We swap sides because Bella's left-handed so we can work
A bit better.
So now that you've got this, I'm going to grab my spoon. And we're going to get 2 tablespoons of, this is
Stevia or something.
You can use sugar.
stevia.
But yes, you can use caster sugar or normal sugar, whatever they've got. And why are we putting sugar in?
To make it a little bit more sweeter. What it looks like now. And then you got to start mixing it. And
Squish it slightly.
don't squish it too much. It looks so cool.
It looks like iced blackberries, doesn't it? This sugar's like slow.
Now what you're going to do with this is just drop some in every corner because it's just like your glue.
And very
Bing.
important for cooking sometimes, especially with pastry. Otherwise it just goes splat and falls apart.
And because what we're doing it for, you need this stuff.
My squares are so wonky. Have you ever tried raw pastry? It tastes good at first, but not afterwards.
Really? I prefer not to eat it. Yeah, so I'm trying
Like that knife.
to a little bit more.
Kenz, I think you've done, sweetie. You can put too much on, it'll go soggy.
Okay.
Alright. So Bella can continue with that. What are you going to do,
So
Kenz?
what I'm going to do is get my blackberries that are sticking to the bottom and get a small scoop and just plonk it in the middle.
All you need is about a tablespoon, otherwise it's too much and it basically is mainly berry. So that's
Done.
sort of what you want. Just a few
So
berries.
that's about as much as you need.
Yeah, you might want to move a couple off your other one.
Okay,
You've got to be able to wrap your corners over the top, otherwise they won't enclose.
is that good or too many?
No, that's fine.
Just a second. Then, once you have done all your berries, you want to grab your corner.
Isabella, just wait for Kenzie. Okay, you can have a go at doing
Grab
yours.
the corner and lift it up. Pull away the plastic and put it on top. And you want to do a little bit of milk on the corner there. And then lift up the other corners.
The opposite side, sweetie,
Oh, oops.
which will already have milk on it. Can you get it off? It's a bit tricky, isn't it? You can do you can do the side corners, it's fine.
And then
They
you
should
just
already have
put
milk
that
on them.
on top.
And squish down the corner.
Just push it down. Then you got to do the same with all the other corners until it looks like a nice little folded parcel.
And then squash the corners together.
Squish them so they stay nicely together.
How's Kenzie going with hers?
He looks a bit like
That's
those
it.
cushions.
Just
like
make
with
sure
the
you push them
tassels.
down. Yep.
Done. There's my
Okay.
first little bit.
Leave them on the paper, that's it. So you need to do that with all 4, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, that's
If they're not perfect, they're even better.
They're handmade, that's it. Now do the two sides. Like
I've
an
told me
envelope.
this before.
A bit like your sandwich wraps at home, isn't it?
Yeah.
Handmade stuff is so much better than bought.
Well,
Dad,
but considering
that's a
you
lot better.
freshly picked all your blackberries today,
Yes. And
did you end up with any prickles in your fingers?
yes, I've got lots in my toes.
I sort of half
In your
fell.
toes?
I sort of half fell in one of the bushes.
Wasn't very clever, was it?
I'm done. So am I. Cute.
Okay.
That's my favourite for this one.
Oh, we're going to make a space in the middle of the table. You can bring your tray over and show us.
It's got to be nicely.
You might be able to fit 6 on. See how many you can fit. You don't want to put too many because remember they swell up. Alright, who's going to put the first? You're going to brush. Okay, stop. You need to. You need to just brush them very lightly with a bit of milk to help them go brown. The whole top. Alright, you going to open the oven for her?
I'm moving you on it.
Okay.
So now that our first batch is in the oven, we can make our second.
So we're also going to repeat the focus. So
Yeah.
it looks like a pillow.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that one doesn't.
Yay. One more. Push it down slightly.
And almost done.
And almost done.
And I'm point. And done. Alright, now we're going to check our
Pastries.
But make sure you use oven mitt so you don't burn your fingers and be safe. Looking good.
Yummy.
Ooh, one's
See,
starting
they're already
to
starting
cook.
to brown.
Mm-hmm.
Look at your
My one's so small. My one's
Look
like
at your
tiny.
little one that's just gone poof.
Right, now that we've done that, we are going to,
Sort these ones out.
but first
done.
we are going to pull out the cork mats so we don't burn our bench.
If you don't want that to happen, then
And
Mum
if you
and
don't
Dad
have
want
cork mats, what do you use? Silicon mats.
Silicon mats. Well, we use those because they're easy to store.
And then also cooler once they've cooled off enough to touch.
So these are our first batch. They kind of exploded a little bit, but
Why do you think they exploded?
because
We
they
didn't
weren't
push
pushed
it
down
hard
enough.
That one didn't. That was a
That was
good little one.
A little one.
Okay, so what are we going to do with this next batch?
Try.
Well, if you have 2 trays, then you can use 2. But because we're in a caravan, we only have 1. So it's a bit warm. That's why we've got
It's actually quite hot.
things under it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, then we can put on our little pastries. That one who didn't get done.
Oh, it's sticking to my thing.
My little precious star one. Oh, we got 4 left to put on next.
Mm-hmm.
And let's do some milk.
That one's kind of a little different.
It's unique in its
I
own
still
way.
have 2 left
And we only cooked them for how long?
for about 5 minutes.
And try doubling that.
10
10
minutes.
minutes. About 10
Yep. So you just keep an eye on them and rotate. Our oven has to be rotated.
because we've got a very fast cooking oven.
Hard
But
to
it's
judge the
nice.
temperature in the oven in the caravan.
And to serve them, they're really nice cold, but they're also really good warm. And you can
And-
serve them with fresh cream.
Which is how we're going to have them for dessert
Yeah,
tonight,
whipped
aren't we?
cream.
Yes.
Right, whose turn to put this in the oven?
Mine.
Okay.
So now I'm going to put my safety things on.
Let's go to weather.
Whoa.
So, what's the magic word for opening it?
Please. Now they're in and they're going to cook until
For how long?
10 minutes.
10
not 5, 10.
You keep an eye on them, don't you? 'Cause
Twist them around about 5 minutes.
Yep.
So we're going to wait about 5 minutes and
See.
we'll rotate them. See them. Right, so it's been a little while now. We're going to have a look at our pastries. So these are also a little puppy.
They need turning around, don't they?
So we're going to turn them around. They're really dandy safety things. Have a good look at them.
What happened to all the ones that we took out from the previous batch?
Well,
The rack's looking a tad empty.
so what happened was, we ate some, and then we go with our neighbour.
Who's what?
He's in a tent.
Who's in his camping in his tent? He's
So
travelling
we
around
thought,
mountain
so
biking.
give him something
So we've all had a taste, and how do they taste?
delicious.
Cool.
Alright, so now it's been about 10 minutes and we're going to take them out from the oven onto the drying rack. Yeah, this is
Drying rack?
drying rack.
Cooling rack, sweetheart.
Cooling rack.
This is our second batch.
Yep.
We've already had one and they're very good.
So pop it down.
Perfect.
Well done.
Alright, we're going to whip cream and we're going to put it onto it. So much sweetie.
You want to hold them up and show me?
This is how you make
Stand together, boo-boo.
pastries with whipped cream. It's a great dessert. Yum. Bye.